Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Kukai Wallet on laptop. Kukai Wallet is a web-based non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet built specifically for the Tezos XTZ blockchain. Non-custodial means you are the only owner of your wallet. Kukai does not store your private keys, recovery phrase or the funds. Kukai Wallet is popular because it works directly in a web browser, no extension required. It supports Tezos XTZ tokens and NFTs. So in order to set up Kukai for the first time, web browser on your laptop, open to a secure browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, etc. Make sure your browser is updated. On the top address bar, type down wallet.kukai.app and after that select enter here. Once you reach into this dashboard here, you can either create a wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can simply select enter. If you have previously have an account with your Google with any of the social here, you can simply select continue with any of the option as I'm selecting this Google. And after the setup is complete, your wallet dashboard appears. You will see your Tezos wallet address, token, NFT balance, button for send, receive, and your Google wallet is successfully set up. Here you can receive your XTZ by sharing your wallet address, send Tezos to other wallets, connect Kukai to Tezos app and NFT marketplace. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.